Hey, my name is Kalam. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create subtitle on Capcut PC. So first, I'm going on Capcut. You can see this is a Capcut dashboard. Now I want to import a video from my computer. Example purpose, this is my video. Then click on right here. Now click on caption. You can see caption. My spoken language are English. Then I select English. If you are language are different, here are Arabic, Bengali, Burma, etc available here. You can select this one, but this is my English tutorial. I click on generate. After wait few seconds, it will be converted. Wow, you can see it's already generated subtitle to my video. If I playing this one, you can see it's playing. Wow, there's such a brilliant, this is absolutely fantastic. So as you can do, just follow my step, then you are able to do this work, I think. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.